Window installation is a crucial home improvement project, particularly in areas like Palmetto Bay, where homes face unique environmental challenges such as high humidity, intense sunlight, and the possibility of hurricanes. Proper window installation not only enhances your home's aesthetic appeal but also boosts energy efficiency, increases property value, and provides protection against the elements. However, many homeowners make critical mistakes during the installation process that can lead to costly repairs and suboptimal performance. Here's a guide to avoiding these common pitfalls. Neglecting to choose the right windows. One of the most frequent mistakes homeowners make is failing to select the right type of windows for their specific needs. In Palmetto Bay, where hurricane preparedness is essential, opting for impact-resistant windows is a must. Additionally, energy-efficient windows with UV protection can reduce cooling costs and protect your interiors from sun damage. Always consult with a professional to ensure the windows you choose meet local building codes and climate considerations. Improper measurement. Accurate measurements are the foundation of a successful window installation. A miscalculation, even by a fraction of an inch, can lead to windows that don't fit properly, resulting in drafts, water leaks, or structural damage. To avoid this, rely on professionals to take precise measurements. If you decide to DIY, double-check all dimensions and account for any irregularities in your window openings. Ignoring building permits and code. Palmetto Bay has specific building codes and regulations to ensure the safety and resilience of structures, especially against hurricanes. Some homeowners attempt to bypass these requirements, either to save time or reduce costs. However, failing to obtain the necessary permits or comply with local codes can result in hefty fines, forced reinstallation, or unsafe windows that jeopardize your home. Always verify the legal requirements before starting your project. Poor sealing and insulation. Improper sealing and insulation during window installation are common mistakes that can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and higher energy bills. This issue is particularly problematic in humid environments like Palmetto Bay, where water damage can quickly escalate. Use high-quality weatherproofing materials and ensure a tight seal around the window frame to prevent these problems. Using the wrong installation techniques. Window installation involves specific techniques that vary based on the type of window and the material of the surrounding structure. A common mistake is using inappropriate tools or methods, which can compromise the structural integrity of the installation. For instance, failing to secure the frame properly or over-tightening screws can cause warping or cracking. Professional installers have the expertise and equipment to ensure the job is done right the first time. Underestimating the importance of professional help. Many homeowners in Palmetto Bay attempt to install windows themselves, thinking it will save money. While DIY projects can be rewarding, window installation requires a high level of skill and knowledge. Mistakes made during a DIY installation can lead to costly repairs, safety hazards, and reduced window lifespan. Hiring a reputable window installation company ensures the job is done efficiently, correctly, and in compliance with local standards. Rushing the installation process. window installation is a detailed process that requires patience and precision. Rushing through the steps can result in misaligned windows, poorly sealed edges, and other issues that compromise functionality and aesthetics. Allocate adequate time for each stage of the installation and resist the temptation to cut corners. Overlooking post-installation care. Even after a flawless installation, neglecting proper maintenance can lead to premature wear and tear. Regularly inspect your windows for signs of damage, clean the glass and frames, and check for any sealant degradation. In Palmetto Bay's humid climate, this upkeep is particularly important to prevent mold and mildew growth. Failing to factor in long-term costs. While it might be tempting to choose cheaper materials or cut costs during installation, this approach can backfire in the long run. Low-quality windows are more prone to damage, leading to higher repair and replacement costs. Investing in durable, high-performance windows and professional installation will save you money over time. Conclusion. Avoiding these common mistakes during window installation in Palmetto Bay can save you from unnecessary expenses, stress, and safety concerns. Whether you're replacing old windows or upgrading your home for energy efficiency and hurricane resilience, careful planning and professional assistance are key. With the right approach, your new windows will enhance your home's beauty, functionality, and protection for years to come.